Hi, Glenn Hausman here for No Vacancy News, and I'm with Kevin Frid, and he's the COO North America with Accor Hotels. You know, Kevin, one of the things that we're finding a lot of pressure with in the hospitality industry is making sure you have a strong, talented labor pool that feels like they're part of the family. What are you doing to make sure that your colleagues are working hard, feeling accepted, and making a difference for your guests?
Well, I mean, they're everything to us. I mean, we still continue to focus today, even the colleague ahead of the guest.
Right.
And if we're not delivering to the colleague a great experience, chances are they're not going to turn around and deliver a great experience to the guest. I mean, that's sort of 101. That's not revolutionary thinking. But, you know, colleagues also figure out whether you're walking this talk or whether you're just know that that's what you're supposed to say and that's what everybody's saying. So, and you know, all this talk around technology, you know, is it going to replace that? I don't see that, not in my lifetime. We try and use technology in a couple of ways. One is to make their experience better in order for them to be able to spend more time with the guest. And two, even from the guest side of technology, make sure it's fun, simple, and enhances the overall experience.
Yeah, I feel like at the luxury level in particular, where, you know, Fairmont fits into that category, you can never get rid of people. It's that human connection is probably much more important than perhaps in some other categories within the industry.
Well, there's absolutely no question. And, you know, our experience has taught us that too. You know, we had our first self-serve check-ins 20 plus years ago. And, you know, those antiques that existed were they were hardly ever used, not because they didn't work. It is still amazing today how in some other industries that self-check-in, people prefer to deal with the box rather than the process. And at the luxury level, there's no question, particularly on arrival, not so much on departure, that luxury guest still wants to talk to somebody, find out what's going on, what's good, and have an engagement.
Right, I agree. True confession, I don't think I've ever checked out of a hotel. I just kind of sneak out a back alley and go about my way. For Kevin Frid and Glenn Hausman, thanks for watching.